Today I'm here to tell you about my experience with the DJI Care Refresh with my DJI Avata. So the question you probably got is it worth it? And in my experience, yes. Short answer is yes. Long answer is yes. Yes. Let me explain. So the first week I got it, it was released here Friday morning in Australia. Not the Saturday after, but the following Saturday, I hit into a tree and fell into a lake. Fortunately, I was able to recover it. Unfortunately, it was dead. Sent it back to DJI. Got a replacement within probably 3 or 4 days. However, more recently, I was flying it. I don't know where it went. I pressed return to home. It had hit a tree somewhere, and I suspect it fell into the river because I could then no longer find it. I had a look around where I thought it was. Fortunately, I couldn't find it. I claimed the flyaway. That was a little bit more to claim. It was 229 Australian. However, that's why I've got this. Yeah, I picked it up just yesterday. Having this added layer of security, if you're like me, is definitely a must.